Perfect. Oh man. There we go. And then with the beauty of editing, I'll put this at the beginning of the video and then show us making it. Yay! Hi, this is VCV. It is a free software synth. When you hit new, this is what you get, and it can make a noise. Cool. It's rather complex, isn't it? Look at all these wires. We have low frequency oscillator, so that's something that goes up and down slowly. And then we've got all the other bits. And then we've got lots of wires. But the best way to do it is to build from scratch. So let's make some noise. I use a lot of these Surge XT modules. For any modules that you don't have, and this is free, and all the modules I use is free because that's the way I skate. You can browse the library, search for ones you're interested in. There you go, and you just click on the add or remove, reloads, and you've got it. Cool. So let's, as I say, let's make some noise. So let's start with noise. Let's have a mixer. And then let's join these up. This is coming out my headphones, and you should be able to hear it. Whoa! Oh, isn't that beautiful? All right, let's make it more beautiful. Let's modify some of these parameters. So what do I have? Oh, nice. So let's do it on, like, if we listen to it again. As we change that, we see it makes it slightly less painful. So we throw that into the mode, click the button, say I want to modify this all the way around. Click it again, and now, but let's slow it down a bit. Nice. What else? Let's do that one as well. So another one into there. Click on this, right round. Again, and slow this one down. Okay. Maybe let's add a filter. So rather than going straight into the mixer, let's go into the, oops, whoopsie. Oops. And then let's maybe also modify should we modify? Let's modify try that. Can slow that one down. Maybe I can make this one random. Okay. What else? All right. Let's also modify the volume of this. So let's use the last LFO from the quad. Up, and let's do maybe not much of a range. And slow it down. Random as well, shall we? There we go. Right, let's add some more. Let's add a beat. Okay, turn it off for now. So we need a clock. 124, and let's have a sequencer. We're doing, oops, what are you doing over there? Come back. Come back. There we go. Join up, clock, clock. It's rotating round. Hit on every one. And let's have the. What kind of oscillator have we got? Yeah, this one. So trigger into here, and then we'll use another. Oops. Another channel from the mixer out to. Go on, let's take that one. But we won't go straight in. Let's get maybe plateau out in here. Okay. That'll do. But let's do our usual modify the volume a bit trick. So another LFO. Sorry, yeah, here we go. And we will go here and modify this one. Maybe random. So it's coming in and out. Right, let's have something else. Let's have some kind of voice. So we'll use another line. Macro oscillator coming in. Let's have some random. Random goes into here. Let's take. Oh, you're far away. That's okay. I can reach. So now it's not doing much, is it? Trigger. Still not doing much. Oops, 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 don't do that. Beautiful. Yep, hang on, let's go on That's my favourite notes. Nice. So you gotta chop a little bit. That word that's being said, that is a word. We can modify that. Okay. And we can then have another one that modifies that. So let's get another. Well, we can take. Let's get our own one. Another quad. LFO. And we'll throw that into. Into here. But the problem is that that is only going. See, it's not modifying it. We need to have a kind of a rescaling of it. And from experience, I know that we need to go from 0 to 10. So let's have a look at what we've got. There we go. Max 10, min that. Let's slow it down. There we go. No, it's still not good. There we go. So why is it still not changing yet? Oh, what the heck? How is that any different? There we go. I can't see anything that I've done differently. Still got the same max and min. I might edit out my confusion. Anyway, here we go. We have input to that. Let's yeah, let's mix this up a bit. Let's maybe random. And also let's have another plateau. And again, another, modify that. Slow it down. Perfect. Oh man. There we go. And then with the beauty of editing, I'll put this at the beginning of the video and then show us making it. Yay! Have a good day. Bye bye.